First, V out the damage. Fuse in the metal mesh to give structural strength and to bridge any gaps where the plastic is missing. Make sure that the mesh is set below the level of the plastic. Fill in using the Image Uni-Weld ribbon. Sand level, keeping the area as small as possible at all times. Use Image Black Gel and Activator to fill any pinholes or sanding marks. Use a single-edged razor blade as a spreader to reduce the sanding time. Sand and repeat as required. Mask the area and apply the high build primer. Sand and apply adhesion aid over the repair and across the area to be repainted. Apply texture. Build up the texture over the repaired area and then blend out to match the original texture pattern. Recolor as required.